Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by using an admin account. This lets you change system sign-ins without delays. First, open System Settings. Older Mac OS calls it System Preferences, and go straight to Passwords and Accounts or Internet Accounts. Once there, locate the Google entry. Make sure you've backed up Drive and Mail content if needed, because removing an account can stop sync. If an app is actively syncing, quit it now. Then proceed to select the Google account to see removal options. Now you'll remove the account itself. Select Google under Internet Accounts and click Remove or the minus sign. You'll be asked which services to turn off. Uncheck items like Mail, Contacts, Calendars, and Drive if you want local data removed. Once you've chosen Confirm Removal, Mac OS will ask for your admin password for authorization. After confirming, the account is detached from system services immediately, though files already downloaded may remain in app-specific folder. Finish by restarting your Mac to clear cached authentication tokens and stop background sync. If you still get Google prompts, open Keychain Access and search for Google or OAuth tokens and delete related items. Be careful to only remove obvious Google entries. Make sure you also sign out of Chrome or remove any Chrome profiles, because browser sign-ins are separate. If something goes wrong, re-add the account temporarily to reverse changes, then remove it again more carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.